connect your custom agents from Agent Studio directly into Ask AI, so your AI assistants and automations all work seamlessly together. This integration lets you take any custom-built agent like a social media post generator, content writer, or appointment responder and trigger it directly through Ask AI without switching tools. Let's say you've built a social media post generator or agent in Agent Studio. This agent writes engaging posts for different platforms based on your input, like topic, tone, or target audience. Now with Ask AI integration, you can simply type something like write a social media post promoting our new AI webinar, and Ask AI automatically calls your social media post generator or agent, then returns a polished post ready to publish. Here's how it works. So the first thing you want to do is create an agent inside of your sub account. You can do that by going over to AI agents, coming up to Agent Studio, and then create your agent over here. I've created one called social media agent, and I'm going to connect that one to Ask AI. Now to do that, it's very simple. You're going to go up to your agency view in the top left corner, click this button, and then you want to come down to settings and scroll up to Ask AI configuration. When you click on that, you'll see a page like this where we can integrate an agent that you created right into Ask AI. All you have to do is map the agent by clicking this button over here or the one in the top right corner. Then what you want to do is select the sub account that you created the agent in. I did mine in this one over here. And then choose the agent you want to integrate. So here's my social media agent. When I click on next, you have to fill both of these out before moving on. So once you've written a description, you need to write the capabilities. And after you do that, click on this button here and then click on Save and Integrate. And just like that, the agent has been added to Ask AI. Now to find that, just go to one of your sub accounts, and then in the top right corner, you'll see this blue button, which is the Ask AI button. You'll find that in so many different places inside the platform. Once you click on it, you can add your prompt, click on Enter, and you'll see it is calling the content creator. And then you can go back and forth with it until it gives you your desired answer, which again is pulling from the agent that we created and attached to Ask AI in the backend. And that's how you can connect a custom agent from Agent Studio right into Ask AI. So tasks like social media writing, social media posts, responding to leads, or building content happen instantly from one unified workspace. For more information about this or other high-level features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's on the description below. My name is Ben, and thank you for watching.